Hey, sex is not better than an apology for somebody that did you wrong. It's not. I tell you, that ends up being some type of relief, even for the people that say they don't care about nothing or they selfish, they solo. Getting an apology from somebody that gutted you is a miracle. Nonetheless, there had to be godly intervention for such a thing to happen because people are stiff-necked, stubborn, and won't do nothing for you. So to get an apology, that's better than sex. I'm telling you. It ain't a whole lot of things that's better, but that is one. Trying to make amends with a broken family member or a broken friend. You know, one of those feathers or wings was snapped in half and mends itself, and now y'all can fly together again. But I tell you something, ain't nothing like getting an apology, a heartfelt apology from somebody that did you wrong. Love y'all.